All of you doing great. Well, there is a slight bit of a good news for the Celsius platform holders, but not for the majority of the people. Please ensure you watch the video if you want to understand what's happening with the Celsius. As we all know, Celsius declared for the bankruptcy, and earlier this year they halted the withdrawals of the funds of the users, right? Out of the blue, one fine day they tweeted they are going to stop the withdrawal, and after that a lot of people are in tremendous stress. While everything is proceeding in the court, here is a piece of a news where Celsius is allowing withdrawal, will be allowing the withdrawal out of $225 million that is kept into the custody and withholding wallet. There is a separate fund, custody and withholding wallet, that I'm going to tell you what that fund is. Even out of that fund, $225 million, they will be paying $50 million. And there are certain set of conditions, like what kind of users will be paid and the set of things. So this is pretty much not going down well again with the community. First of all, majority of the people had already given up that Celsius is not going to give anything. But this move, why it is happening? First of all, in their agreement, this particular wallet, withholding wallet, custody and withholding wallet, basically had this terms of service that this does not belong to the Celsius network. So this is just like a holding wallet. It's as if somebody is just holding your cryptocurrency without giving you any benefit. So what that means is that basically this particular withdrawal is just to cover their legal requirements, and that too the bare minimum that they are supposed to give. Now here's the catch. There was this earn and borrow program within the Celsius network. First of all, there is nothing. Obviously, as we all know, the platform itself is a lending platform, so majority of the people having their funds onto it were earning interest. So that means they were onto this earn and borrow program. So that is the risk. It had the risk associated with it as per the terms of services. So they're not withdrawing a penny as of now from that account. They are only withdrawing from the account custody and withholding wallet, and that to 50 million out of 225 million. Now, why the less 50 million out of 225 million? They have put the another catch that anyone who has deposited their money from the earn and borrow program to this custody wallet, they will only be returned maximum, like if the asset is less than 7,500 some amount. So that is like 7,500. That means somebody who has transferred into the custody and wallet from the earn and borrow program $1 million, probably he would not be eligible for it. And a lot of community is like, they are like, are you out of your mind for that? Why? Because the custody and withholding wallet, the law should be equal for everyone. If somebody is moving the funds out of their own pocket into the wallet, or probably they are moving their funds from earn and borrow program of yours into the respective wallet, the wallet's terms remain same, but probably from the legal aspects they have this getaway. So that is why they are not giving the people the complete refund who have moved from this place to this place. From this earn and borrow program to, as you can see, certain custody and withhold accounts where transfers from earn and borrow programs were in aggregate less than 7,575, a specific legal threshold. Again, this number is tied to some legal binding that they are bound to. So this is the exact thing that is happening for the people who are trying to know what kind of withdrawal Celsius is allowing. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button, because bear market or bull market, we will be here to serve you, to give you the best of the crypto news out there, the latest of them in the most simplified manner, and the best of the picks. Some of the picks from the biggest institutes, the crypto picks, some of them can 100x, 1000x. We will be consistently talking about those, backing up with goods. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and comment down below for what you feel about this Celsius withdrawal that they are allowing. Now, ideally, people are like, I mean, you should be giving every penny in any of the program that you have. That's what you always promised. But here's the thing, like that, it is what it is. So right now, the custody and withholding wallet, probably a minute set of people are getting a little bit of relief. Probably they were in a state of shock that, okay, we were not even getting benefits from Celsius network. We just deposited onto their platform and here our funds are locked. So for them, little bit of relief, but for majority of the people, it's not. And for the people who are not aware what happened with the Celsius network, basically Celsius is a lending platform. You deposit your cryptos onto the platform, into their earn and borrow program, and basically you get interest out of it. So for example, a lot of people were depositing USTC, a lot of people were depositing Luna. They were getting 10%, 20%, 15%, depending on the amount of interest that they were giving, Celsius network was giving. So with the collab, and the way Celsius was giving the interest was itself like they were doing the leverage trading. They were investing into the protocols, like they were utilizing the funds themselves, by putting like some of the funds onto the BlockFi, some of the funds onto Voyager Digital, right? And we all know what happened to BlockFi. We all know what happened to Voyager Digital, what happened to Three Arrows Capital. So it was like a cascading effect. First of all, leverage trading is very, very dangerous, and a firm as big as Celsius network, when the Bitcoin is dropping, like it is still holding around $20,000. If it has dropped that much, definitely you are bound to get liquidated. And the surprise factor is the CEO of Celsius, even a day before or probably a week before, was coming out in open and saying everything is all right with us. I mean, this is one of the best platforms. Do not fall for the FUD. Do deposit onto our platform. I mean, a lot of learning lessons for all of us. I mean, I have been consistently talking to my viewers and my subscribers onto risk management thing. If you actually just do the risk management of your funds, the upside will take care of itself. You just have to survive the downside, the choppiness, these kind of events. If you do survive, then the crypto market is going to reward you really, really big. Now, the risk management, one of the things, probably to give an extreme example, let's say I have some funds onto Binance. I have all my funds onto Binance. Now I should be asking myself the question, what if Binance gets hacked? What if Binance gets bankrupt? And I should not be neglecting this idea. Then I need to fact check it. Probably Binance is the biggest exchange out there, or onto the entire exchange, and even if they get hacked, probably they will be returning back the money. But if my amount, let's say if somebody is putting $10 million onto Binance, that is still risky, because I mean, you need to be holding the assets yourself. But if somebody, let's say having $10,000, probably buying a private wallet and then holding it onto it without having the experience of it already, I mean, it will be much better to hold off and give the security to Binance if you have like just $10,000, or depending on how much somebody thinks of. But when you're thinking to this extent about the risk management, at least you would not put your life savings onto a platform like Celsius or BlockFi, or the platforms that are giving the interest. Why? Because they have a little bit of risk involved, and they have already stated onto their website. You would not be trusting the private wallet, somebody saying, okay, get this NFT, click on this link, connect your wallet, give your seed phrase. You'll be very cautious. Why? Because you have been consistently doing the risk management. So that's it, guys, for the video. I hope that you found the video helpful. Smash the like button, subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.